Hey there, my festive magic makers! Today we are on special mission to create something truly magical – edible holiday reindeers. They will not only brighten up your table, but also lift everyone's spirit. So, tell me, who do you think could eat the most reindeers in one go? Ingredients: 2 bananas, 150 grams of chocolate, dark or milk, pretzels for antlers, candy ice or chocolate drops for eyes, red candies for noses, skewers, parchment paper. Prep the bananas. First, slice your bananas into even pieces or as even as you can manage. We are all about cozy vibes, not perfection here. Then melt your chocolate. And hey, if chocolate tends to disappear in your kitchen before you even melt it, let me know so I don't feel alone in this struggle. Dip the bananas in chocolate. Grab your skewers, slide on the banana slices. And here comes the magical part, dipping them in chocolate. Dip, swirl and soak up the chocolatey goodness. By the way, who else secretly licks the spoon when no one's watching? Come on, don't be shy, admit it. Decorate your reindeers. Now lay our little chocolate-coated friends on parchment paper. And here is where the fun begins. Antlers, eyes and noses. Take pretzels for antlers, stick on the candy eyes, and finish it off with a red candy for the nose. Let them set. Now comes the hardest part, waiting for them to set. It's pure torture just watching and not touching, right? And I know some of you will be tempted to sneak an antler or two. Patience, my friends. And voila! Our holiday reindeers are ready. Aren't they just adorable? I almost feel bad eating them, but someone's gotta do it, right? Now imagine this. If your reindeer come to life, what would be the first thing it asked for? I bet mine would want to fly around the Christmas tree. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I've got so many more holiday ideas and magical moments coming your way. See you in the next video where I will make even more magic together. Bye bye!